Well, Jacob's truck, here you go. Well, this ain't all Jacob's. That's all other stuff. But we figured we go ahead. It's a pretty good shot. I want to check it out. I'm getting ready to ball hone it because of the damage that the metal from the rod bushing. I mean, and look at this, guys. Look at this. I mean, you can see that. I mean, you can't feel it, not one bit. I mean, you can't feel it at all, but that ain't, I don't know. I'm like, so, you know, I was like, well, before we go doing that, let's look. Look at this. This actually looks, oh, I gotta shut the flash off. Oh my God, I can't. Let's see if you can see it like this. Oh, you're freaking kidding me. Hey, you got a light? Hang on. I wanted to show this real quick. I mean, the cylinders look good. Except for where all the lines are. I mean, that's all from us cleaning it, getting it clean, ready to go. It's gotta take a last little bath before going back in the truck, but let's see if I can. I can't show it. How can you? I don't know a lot about this damn thing. Let's see. There you go. Oh. Let's look at these numbers. 1373. Let's see. There's RPK. Oh, it's not showing it. Oh, ain't that a pain in the butt. Okay, whatever. I have to go in and change it. But look at that. Now, those of you that know, that's pretty cool. That's not bad. I mean, that's all right. Good oil retention. A little bit still need to be broke in. This is our engine. We did this 65,000 miles ago. 64, 67, I don't know. I don't think it, he said it hasn't been 70. Hasn't been 70,000 miles, but that's, so I'm sitting here debating on ball hone, and it's like, damn, that sucks. Because, you know, it's good. And I, honestly, though, I've never sent one back out without touching the cylinders with different rings. I mean, I guess one could state that I could put the rings on different pistons, because I think bare minimum we're replacing one piston. We've got a whole set ordered. Take with it what you may. I'm probably going to put the whole set in it. But, I mean, some of these lines, I know I got to wipe it out here. Pretty good. Pretty good lines. I mean, you can still see crosshatch, I think. Yeah, you can kind of still see crosshatch, but it definitely did some damage, which ain't that a friggin' drag. But here's the block, what it looks like. We're done with it. I mean, we look at the manifolds. You know, honestly, I like to think that we put these things together as if somebody is going to take them apart and critique them. I mean, I don't care. I mean, if you find some stuff wrong that we do, I'd like to see it. I mean, maybe I can make it better. But like, look at this. Tanner already cleaned them up. Look at that. I mean, they look freaking good. I know they look like they, that's not whiz wheeled. So, but looks all good. So I'm going to sit here and debate a little bit more. I just wanted to show this, honestly, just to show how they look before, to show why I'm going to decide, if I do decide to ball hone it. I don't get whatever, but it was a good chance to get the profilometer out, the Tanner, let him check it out, play with it a little bit. Good chance. So, who knows, but this was 65,000 miles. We had to tear it apart. Those of you that didn't know, rod bushing in a brand new Ford rod. The last of the new Ford rods that were available to purchase with bushings installed, and they're sized. Honestly, they feel pretty good. And yeah, cost us. And you know, hell, I should have two engines here right now, honestly, but you know, the other guy sold his, so he got mad because he put the hottest tune on it. But it's all good. I don't care. It's all good. Yeah, that's another story. If y'all ask about it in the comments, I'll tell you. I don't want to waste freaking time with it, honestly. So I just wanted to show the cylinders that there are lines in them, just in case I decide to go ahead and ball hone it. That way, whatever. I mean, I try to document stuff. All right, guys, that's it.